Assembling your Piston Pro X. Congratulations on your recent Piston family product purchase. We are stoked you are part of the Kuat family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the super simple assembly of your rack. A few things before we get started. Read the assembly guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. Insert the center beam assembly into your hitch receiver. Make sure the hitch pin holes are aligned. Insert the hitch pin through the holes in the hitch receiver, secure with the hitch pin lock. Find and unlock the 8mm security hex key found at the front of the center beam assembly to tighten the flat lock cam and secure the piston in your hitch. Next, slide foot lever into position on center beam assembly, installing M6 washer and M6x45 bolt using the 5mm hex key. Fold rack up and down using the pivot lever. Each piston tire tray features an easy clip tab that will hook into a slot on the center beam, allowing the tire tray to hang in place during assembly. Hook labeled A tray to A position on the center beam. Hook labeled B tray to B position. Hook labeled D tray to D position on center beam. Hook labeled C tray to C position on center beam. Your piston arrived with security tabs beneath each one-tap lever. Pull tab upward to remove each and operate the lever. Open each arm by tapping the one-tap levers. Do not hold the lever down when opening or closing. Opening piston arms provides easier access to tray bolt and tray nut locations. With trays secured, insert M10x165 into A tray, through the center beam and into the M10 nut. Tighten with 8mm hex key. Locate the flat 4-pin cable provided in your parts bag. Plug cable into the rear connector on the center beam. Plug flat 4-pin into trailer light socket on your vehicle. Locate 2 magnetic clips in your provided parts bag. Place magnets along cable and snap them to the hitch shank and vehicle hitch. Feel free to adjust magnetic clips up and down the cable to achieve the fit that works best for your setup. Open piston tire cradle arms by tapping each one-tap lever. Based on your wheel size, you can adjust the tire chocks on the piston. Push tabs inward to slide the tire cradle up or down the tire arm to adjust for measured wheel size. Visually ensure tabs are fully secured into the desired notch. If you have a bike with fenders, be sure to scan the QR code in the user guide to purchase the fender accessory kit. Load bike onto tray. Close arms onto tires until firm contact is made with tire cradles. Should the need arise, bikes can be loaded asymmetrically or oriented in the same direction to accommodate different fitment problems. To further fine-tune fitment, bikes can be adjusted left and right on their individual trays. Thread cable through rear wheel, frame, and front wheel when possible, then cable end loop. Secure cable tip into lock port located on piston center beam. The piston one-tap system allows users to rotate tire arms into a negative position for the installation of the piston e-bike ramp, or conveniently unload a bike in tray 2 without needing to unload tray 1. To fold down, tap one-tap lever to open tire arm. Pull arm down into negative position. To fold the tire arm back up, tap one-tap lever to release ratchet tension and pull tire arm back into towing and stowing position. Now that your rack is assembled, be sure to register your rack using the information provided in your box. And this rack, like all of our other products, are covered by our No Worries warranty. We've got your rack and your back.